Hi kids. So last time we did addition and subtraction of thirds. Today we're going to do multiplication and division as well. Okay. So now look. First we're going to do multiplication. What do I have to multiply? Root 7 into root 42. Now when I see root 7 and root 42, what I'm going to have to do pehle is look at both the numbers and see are they in their simplest form. I'm going to factorize it. Okay. I'm going to make it into the simplest form. Now look, we have root 7, root 42, which can also be written as root 7 into 42, right? Same thing. Now, root 7 ko I can't factorize more. It's in its simplest form. But 42 I can factorize, right? So, 42 is 7 into 6. 6 sevens are 42. So, what have I done? I have done root 7 into root 7 into 6. 42 ko root 42 I have written as root 7 into 6. 6 into 7 is equal to 42. Now what happened was, now where did I get this from? Okay, so I had root 7 into root 7 into 6. Now, now root 7 is here, root 7 is also over here. So what is it? Root 7 into root 7 is equal to 7. Why? Because root and root cut gaya. So what do I have? 7. So I have 7, and what do I have left? Root 6. It's very simple. When you have two roots with the same number inside, so if there was root 3 into root 3, root and root cut gaya, what do I have? 3. Okay, now I'm going to do one more sum. Root 5 into root 2. Okay, now root 5 is in its simplest form. Root 2 is also in its simplest form. I can't multiply anything into anything to get 5 or 2. So what am I going to do? I'm just going to multiply what's inside. 5 into 2 kitna hua? 10. Okay, 5 into 2 is equal to 10. Now what's the difference is that over here 42 was too large a number. I had to simplify it. I need my answer to be in its simplest form. So I had to simplify this to get this. But over here, because 5 and root 2 are in their simplest form, I will only multiply. I'm going to go to the next sum. Root 12 into root 175. We simplify both. So root 12 is 2 into 2 into 3. 2 2s are 4. 4 3s are 12. Now look. I have written root 12 is equal to root 2 into 2 into 3, which can also be written as root 2 into root 2 into root 3. Now 2 and 2 are the same, and there is a root. So I'm cutting the root. Kya bacha? 2 root 3. 2 root 3. Now same thing, root 175. Okay. So what I'm going to do over here is I'm going to factorize root 175. 175 ko I'm going to break it down to its simplest factors. What did I get? 5 into 5 into 7. Now again, same thing that I did over here. Root 5 into root 5 into root 7, right? So root 5 and root 5 same ho gaya. Cut. Now if there was something very important to remember is if it was root 5 into root 7, then you would have to keep it like this only. But over here, because 5 and 5 same hai, that's why I can cut root and root. What is left? 5 root 7. Okay, 5 root 7. Now I have factorized it. I have simplified root 12 and root 175. I have 2 root 3 and 5 root 7. Now what we're going to do is very simple. जो बाहर में है, I'm going to multiply. So 2 into 5 and root 3 into root 7 I'll do. Root लगाऊंगी 3 into 7. What do I have? 5 2s are 10. What's outside I'm going to multiply. What's inside I'm going to multiply. 7 3s are 21. My answer is 10 root 21. Now, one more example. 5 root 28 into root 20. Again, we're going to simplify. 5 root 28. I'll leave the 5. 5 jaise hai, I'll just write it the same way. And then I will simplify root 28. Now, 28 ke factors are 7 into 4. Okay. 7 4s are 28. Now, 4 ko I can further factorize into 7 into 2 into 2. Correct? 4 is 2 into 2. What do I get? Now, look. If I'm going to take it from here, it is 5 root 7 into 2 into 2. Can also be written as 5 root 7 into root 2 into root 2. Correct? Kata, kata. What do I have? 5 into 2. 2, 2. Correct? 1, 2 is left. When ये दोनों कटते हैं, then you only write 1. You don't write it twice. You'll write it once. Same way, root and root अगर कट गया, you're only writing it once. So 5 into 2 and root 7, which is 10 root 7. Do I have that? Yes, I do. And for root 20, I have 4 into 5, which again becomes 2 into 2 into 5, which is 2 root 5. Correct? I'm going to cut the 2 roots. I'm going to get 2 and root 5. Now we multiplied the simplified surds. Simple. जो बाहर है, I'm going to multiply 10 2s are 20 and 5 into 7, 5 7s are 35. Done. Simple. Now we're going to look at division. Very simple. Root 125 divided by root 5. First thing I'm going to do is simplify. Always remember in surds, we simplify it to its lowest form. So root 125 root 125 can be written as root 25 into 5. Correct? It can be written as root 25 into 5. Now what am I going to do is, I'm going to write it as division. Root 25 into 5 upon root 5. Root 5 cut gaya. What do I have left? Sorry, where is it? Root 5 cut gaya. What do I have? Sorry, my mistake. Here. Root 5 cut gaya. I have root 25 left, which becomes 5. Root 25 is 5 into 5, right? 5 into 5 becomes 5. Because if 5 square is 25, then 25 is a perfect square of 5. Root हटाने के लिए, what did I do? 5. Simple. Now this work you're doing, 6 sums over here. And उसके बाद you're going to do this. Now we're going to learn how to rationalize surds. Okay? Okay. Let me do it here. Okay, I am going to find the rational of root 27. First thing I am going to do is I am going to simplify. ठीक है, जितना I can. So I have root 27, which is equal to root 9 into 3. 9 3s are 27. Correct? Now we simplify. Now I can see that 9 is not in its simplest form. It is not in its simplest form. So what am I going to do? Root 9 is equal to root 3 into 3, or can also be written as root 3 into root 3. जिसमें what happens? Root and root kata. What do I have left? 3. So root 9 is equal to 3. Correct? Now I got till here. I got root 9 is equal to 3, which means root 27 is equal to root 3 into root 9, right? We got this, root 3 into root 9, which is also equal to 3 root 3. Now how did I get here? I just mixed 2 steps. Root 3 तो मेरे पास था already यहाँ से, so I leave it. रूट 9 मेरे को पता चला रूट 9 का सिंपलर फॉर्म इज 3. सो व्हाट डू आई लीव द रूट 3 लाइक दिस ओनली. आई लीव इट. एंड रूट 9 का सिंपलर फॉर्म इज 3, सो आई राइट 3 इंस्टेड ऑफ राइटिंग रूट 9. 3 रूट 3. Okay, root 9, simpler form 3, so I write 3 and I'm going to leave the root 3 like that. Now this is not completely rationalized. Rational matlab I need to find a whole number. That means I can't have this root that I see, I don't want. तो मतलब मेरे को और rationalize करना होगा. Okay, identify that the cert that we need to rationalize. 3 root 3 में I need to rationalize root 3. Multiply with root 3. Now look, over here ऊपर में we learnt that, okay, let me just write it and show it to you instead. Okay, ऊपर में we learned that if there is a 2 root 5s, then I can cut and what do I have left? 5. Correct? So then same way, if I have a root 3, I need to rationalize this. What am I going to do is, यहाँ पे I will multiply it with another 3. Where did this 3 come from? I brought it. I got it. I need to rationalize the root 3. So I brought another root 3. मैंने अपने हिसाब से एक और root 3 लिख दिया यहाँ पे. Now root 3 into root 3 क्या बचा? 3. We know this. Cut. 3, 3. One more 3 cut. I have 1 3 left. So root 3 into root 3 is 3. And मेरे पास पहले से, oh no, sorry, I wasn't showing you. Okay, root 3 into root 3 is 3. And यहाँ पे I already had a 3 which I'm going to write. So 3 into 3 is equal to 9, which means that the most rational form of root 27 is 9. Okay, थोड़ा सा लंबा है, there's a few extra steps, but it's not something that's difficult. Okay, now I'm also going to look at 2 examples of fractions. 1 upon root 7. What do I have to rationalize? Root 7, right? So what I'm going to do is, just like over here I got a root 3, over here what I'll do is I'll bring a root 7. So what's going to happen is I will multiply 1 by root 7 into root 7 by root 7. Now because this is a fraction, you're going to bring 2 root 7s, not 1. क्योंकि आपको नीचे रैशनलाइज करना है डिनोमिनेटर, बट आपको न्यूमरेटर भी तो देखना होगा ना. So you are going to do root 7 upon root 7, which becomes 1 into root 7 becomes root 7. Root 7, when I multiply it becomes 7. Okay, that is the most rational form. The small is simplified, cannot be simplified for the, okay. Now 3 by 2 root 7. What do I have to rationalize? Root 7. 2 I'm not looking at. 2 is already rational. I have to rationalize root 7. Again I'm going to do the same thing. 3 upon root 2 root 7 into root 7 upon root 7. What do I have? 3 into root 7 becomes 3 root 7. And 2 है यहाँ पे, so I'm going to write 2. And then root 7 into root 7 becomes 7. So 2 into 7 कितना हुआ? 14. This is your rationalized form. This is how we rationalize, okay? This is some more sums that you're going to do, okay? 4 and 4, 8, and upper mein we have 6 sums. So we have 14 sums that we need to finish today by 7:30 p.m.